Welcome to my free AI workshop. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or confused about how to start an online business, I want you to take a deep breath because you are in the right place. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Bernardigwe. I'm a web designer and an AI consultant, and for over 13 years, I've been making money online. During this time, I've seen many people who wanted to start an online business, but they get stuck on what to sell, stuck on how to find customers, stuck on the fear of failing. But today, with AI, the game has completely changed. AI can guide you step by step in creating your offers, writing your content, designing your marketing, and even handling objections from potential buyers. In this free workshop, I'm going to show you how to take the skills you already have, combined with the power of artificial intelligence, and turn them into real income generating online business. And here's the best part. You don't need to learn complicated tech. You don't need to spend much money. You don't need months of preparation. All you need to monetize your skills is consistency, a willingness to learn, and about 30 to 60 minutes per day to practice. Let me explain something to you. If you've tried few side hustles before and they didn't work, here's why. Most people scroll through social media, see someone making money with affiliate marketing, drop shipping, blogging, or some random method and think, well, I can do that too. But here's the problem. You don't know the industry. You're competing against people that have been doing it for years, and you don't have time to spend 20 to 30 hours learning something brand new on top of your already busy schedule. That's why most people quit. The smart part is to sell what you already know instead of chasing trends. Here's what I teach. Build a business from what you already know. This could mean the skills you use in your 9-to-5 job, a personal transformation you've gone through and you can help others with, or a hobby or interest that people already ask you for advice on. This is the fastest way to get your first offer online and actually earn money. Let's be real about this. I'm not here to sell you the fantasy of quitting your job in 90 days while working 2 hours a week. That's not how business works. Think about it. You spent years in school and years in your career to earn your current salary. Why would you think a random side hustle would replace that in 3 months? Side hustles don't replace paychecks, businesses do. And that's exactly what this workshop will help you start building. Alright, now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step exercise that will help you discover your best online business idea. I'll be using ChatGPT for this training. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser. You can use your laptop, desktop, or mobile phone. Now type chatgpt.com into your browser URL. As you can see, I'm currently using ChatGPT without logging in. The problem with this is that my chat history won't be saved. So once I leave, everything disappears. That's why I recommend you create a free account and log in. This way, all your conversations are stored and you can easily go back to them anytime. You can come over here and click on login, or you click here to sign up for free. So you put in your email address, you press continue and input your password and you're logged in. An OTP, one-time password, will be sent to your email address for you to confirm. So once you input it, you log in. But I already have an account, so I'll just log in right away. When you downloaded the training document, you got a simple one-page document titled Monetize Your Skills with AI Formula. It contains the prompts that we'll be using in this workshop. Alright, let's get started. Step 1 is to identify your valuable skills, and to do that, we're going to use this prompt. What are 10 skills I've developed that could be valuable to others online? For example, let's say I work as a customer service representative. I will use the voice feature to give ChatGPT the following prompt. Of course, you can type the prompt, but for me, the voice option is easier and faster, except I already have the prompt in writing. Like in this case, I've given you guys the prompt, so you can copy and paste them into ChatGPT. But I would like to show you the voice option. So you just come over here. If you're using your phone, you see the same thing, the microphone icon. You click on dictate. And I'll say, what are 10 skills I've developed from my job as a customer service representative that could be valuable to others online? You can see it's faster than typing. So I'll send it. So it has given us 10 skills. As you can see, it gave us communication skills, written and verbal. You've learned how to clearly explain complex issues and keep a professional tone, essential for roles like virtual assistant, online tutoring, or freelance writing. So I won't read through everything, not to waste too much of your time. Number 2 is conflict resolution. 3, problem solving. 4, empathy and emotional intelligence. 5, multitasking. 6, active listening. 7, product and process knowledge transfer. 8, data entry and documentation. Time management, adaptability, and learning new tools. As you can see, it has given me 10 skills I requested for. If you need more, you can ask for more. And like the name implies, ChatGPT, you're chatting with the GPT. It has also asked me, would you like me to also suggest specific online job or side hustle you could do that match these skills? So you can communicate with it, but I already have prompt that we'll use in this training. Also, notice I'm asking for 10 skills, not tasks. Tasks are what you do, skills are how you do them. Now, if your role is broad, you can add context to it, like industry, typical customers, and outcomes. An example prompt for industry focused context would be, based on my experience as a customer service representative in the e-commerce industry, what are 10 skills I've developed that would be valuable to others online? You can see it has given me skills specific to the prompt I gave it: e-commerce platform knowledge, digital communication across channels, order and fulfillment troubleshooting, fraud detection and risk awareness, upselling and cross-selling, customer journey mapping, return and refunds handling, data and feedback analysis, tools and system proficiency, process improvement mindset. An example of prompt for customer focused context would be, as a customer service representative who regularly deals with frustrated travelers in the hospitality industry, what are 10 skills I've developed that could be valuable to others online? As you can see, it's giving me 10 more skills based on the context I gave it. An example of prompt for outcome focused context would be, from my role in customer service, where I consistently achieve high satisfaction scores and resolve complaints quickly, what are 10 skills I've developed that could be valuable to others online? You can see it's giving me 10 skills based on the context I've given it. Now, if you don't want to use a job role, you can use your studies, hobbies, or life experiences. An example of prompt for studies would be, what are 10 skills I've developed from my studies in computer science that could be valuable to others online? And it will give me 10 skills based on the studies I gave it: computer science, programming fundamentals, algorithm thinking, data structure knowledge, things like that. See how even your studies, whether completed or not, can give you transferable skills. This means you can package these skills into services like freelancing, tutoring, or even building digital products. Now let's look at your hobbies. An example prompt for hobbies would be, what are 10 skills I've developed from my hobby of photography that will be valuable to others online? So it will give me skills based on my hobby as a photographer. Even hobbies like photography, painting, gaming, or cooking can teach real-world skills that others are willing to pay for. AI can help you turn this into content, services, or even digital courses. Now let's look at life experiences. An example prompt for life experiences would be, what are 10 skills I've developed from my life experience with traveling that could be valuable to others online? So you can see it's giving me skills based on my traveling experiences: research and planning, budget management, adaptability and problem solving, logistics, content creation, networking and relationship building, risk awareness and safety planning, teaching others how to travel, language learning or translation basics. See how even something like traveling, which most people just see as fun, actually builds high marketable skills. This can turn into digital travel guides, consulting for travelers, blogging, vlogging, or even offering services like personalized trip planning with the help of AI. Mind you, we are still in step one. This first step is about self awareness. Most people underrate their skills because they do them on autopilot. AI helps to label and organize what's already inside us. This first step is very important because you can't monetize what you can't name. So step one gives us the inventory we will later package and sell. You can use your job role, studies, hobbies, or life experiences in this first step. I would recommend you pick the skills that feel easy and enjoyable. This is very important because you will have to be consistent in any business you decide to do. Another thing to consider is which of these skills has someone already paid you for, either directly or indirectly. Those are market tested skills. A quick one, if any of the results ChatGPT gives you look generic, you can add more details about your context and repeat the same prompt, or you can just tell ChatGPT that you don't like the result and ask it to give you a better result. Step 2 is to turn your skills into business ideas. And to do that, we are going to use this prompt. Based on these skills, what are 10 online business ideas I could start in the next 30 days? I included in the next 30 days in the prompt because we are looking for simple models like coaching, microservices, digital products, tiny offers, or content channels that AI can accelerate. Now I'll paste my top skills from step 1 into the prompt so the ideas are tailored. For example, based on these customer service skills, communication, conflict resolution, writing professional emails, training new staff, what are 10 online business ideas I could start in the next 30 days? So you can see it's giving me different ideas. And if you don't like any of the ideas, you can just ask it to give you more or refine the ideas better. You can also ask it to group the ideas into 4 categories. Number 1, service like virtual assistants. Number 2, digital products like ebook or templates. Number 3, coaching and training like online courses or consultancy. Number 4, content like YouTube channel or blogging. You can keep 2 or 3 ideas per category, then pick the winner based on speed, simplicity, and demand. I recommend that for each idea you write one sentence offer, like I help X to do Y using Z. For example, if you're targeting business owners, you can say something like I help small businesses improve customer loyalty through proven customer service communication strategies. Or I help online store owners reduce complaints and increase 5-star reviews using customer service templates. Or I help startups train their teams to handle top customers using empathy-based scripts. If you're targeting job seekers and professionals, you can say something like I help job seekers learn customer-facing roles faster using resume and interview strategies from my customer service backgrounds. Or something like I help young professionals become confident communicators using my experience in customer service and conflict resolution. Or I help freelancers win repeat clients using client relationship tips I've learned from customer service. Your one sentence offer is like your business elevator pitch. It forces you to clearly explain who you help, what problem you solve, and how you solve it, all in one line. This is important because if you can't explain what you do in one simple sentence, your target audience won't understand it either. And when people don't understand, they don't buy. Think of it this way. If someone asked you, so what do you do? And you only had 10 seconds to answer, your one sentence offer is the exact answer that makes them instantly get it and want to know more. Step 3 is to align the business ideas with your passion and market demand. And to do that, we are going to use this prompt. Out of these ideas, which three combines my skills, my passions/interest, and real market demand? For example, let's say I enjoy teaching and creating content. I'll use a prompt like this. Out of these customer service based ideas, which three combines my skills, my passion for teaching/content creation, and real market demand? So you can see it has broken it down for us. It gave us why it's a perfect fit, the market demand, and scalable. You can sell the same course over and over or offer premium coaching packages. We have onboarding and training templates, the digital product, gives us why it fits. You get to create content once. We have customer service, audit, and coaching, gives us why it fits, the market demand. Many small businesses have no idea where their customer service is falling short until someone shows them. So you can see great businesses sit at the intersection of what you can do, what you want to do, and what people pay for. Step 3 helps us prevent a situation where we create a product or service and no one buys. So we need to check the demand before creating. I included passion and demand in the prompt because passion matters for consistency and demand matters for income. So we need both. Signals of demand include there are existing books and online courses for the product or service we want to create. People are asking a lot of questions about the product or service online. People are already paying for the product or service. Basically, what I'm saying is don't reinvent the wheel. Just do what others are already doing successfully and try to do it better. Step 4 is to validate and choose your winning idea. And to do that, we are going to use this prompt. Considering profitability, simplicity, and speed, which of these business ideas should I start with first and why? For example, considering profitability, simplicity, and speed, which of these 3 businesses should I start with first and why? YouTube channel on customer service tips, conflict resolution mini course, the virtual assistant service for small businesses. So you can see it's even breaking it down for us in a table format for easy access. So YouTube channel on customer service tip, profitability low at first, YouTube ad revenue plus sponsorship take time. So you can see this is medium recording, editing, thumbnail, SEO. So it broke it down for us, speed to launch slow. So this helps to validate each of your ideas to know which one is easier to start because we need something that we can start quickly. Validation is not asking your friends if it's nice, it's asking if people will pay or take a clear buying action. I use 3 criteria in the prompt for better results. Profitability, can it make money soon? Simplicity, it doesn't require too many resources to start. And speed, it's something you can start within 30 days. You can see it gave us its own recommendation. So you go through it and it's saying virtual assistant service for small businesses. Why is the simplest to start? Lastly, step 5 is to create your 7-day action starter plan. And to do that, we're going to use this prompt. Give me a simple 7-day action plan to start building my business around. You insert your chosen idea in the bracket. So for example, I'll ask for a 7-day plan for a YouTube channel on customer service tips. Give me a simple 7-day action plan to start building my YouTube channel on customer service tips. It has broken it down for us day by day, what each step to take. You can see day 1, define your channel focus and audience. Set up your channel. Day 3, prep your first 3 video scripts / outline. Record your videos, edit and brand, upload and optimize, publish, promote, repeat. And under each task, it gives us recommendation of tools we can use. You can see here CapCut, iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, Personally, I use CapCut and it's good for both beginners and advanced users. I recommend you turn this plan into calendar blocks you actually follow and add reminders. Alright, you've just seen how powerful AI can be in helping you turn your knowledge, skills, and passion into something people are willing to pay for. But here's the truth. Information alone won't get you results. What really creates change is implementation, doing the right things step by step with guidance and accountability. That's why I created the AI 30-day challenge. Over the next 30 days, I'm going to show you step by step how to take the skills you already have, combined with the power of artificial intelligence, and turn them into real income generating online business. And here's the best part. You don't need to learn complicated tech, you don't need to spend so much money, and you don't need months of preparation. You just need consistency, a willingness to learn, and about 30 to 60 minutes per day to practice. I've built this challenge so that you can experience in 30 days what it took me years to figure out. Now let's be real. You've probably seen hype around make money online, endless adverts, expensive courses, and confusing side hustles that never deliver results. This stops here. This AI 30-day challenge is different because it's practical. No gimmicks, no fluff. You don't need new skills. You don't need huge budgets. You already have everything you need. We are simply going to package your knowledge, talents, or passions into something people will pay for. And we are going to use AI to do it faster and easier than ever before. Let me share something with you that changed my perspective forever. The average person dies rich in skills but poor in wealth. Here's the harsh truth for anyone who is an employee. Every paycheck you receive is proof that someone else figured out how to monetize your skills better than you did. Think about it. Your employer takes your expertise, packages it, and sells it for 5 to 10 times what they pay you. That's not evil, that's just business. Because here's the reality. You already have the skills, you already have the knowledge, you already have the experience. The only thing you might be missing is the business model. And the good thing is that business models can be learned. The skills are yours, you just need to package them better. And that's exactly what I want for you in this AI 30-day challenge. I want you to stop making other people rich with your talent and start keeping the value for yourself. Now, don't get don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you should quit your job. I'm just telling you to start monetizing the skills you already have. And when you get to the level where your earning is now more than your salary, you can choose to quit your job if you so desire. The AI 30-day challenge isn't just another course you watch and forget about. It's a hands-on, action-driven program where every single day for 30 days, I'll give you a clear daily task, the exact AI prompts to use, the free tools to apply to it, and the result you produce that day. By the end of 30 days, you won't just know what to do, you will have a real online business up and running. Let me give you a quick roadmap of what the next 30 days will look like. Phase 1 is foundation. We'll reset your mindset, discover your skills and validate your idea, and define your dream customer. Phase 2 is offer creation. We'll package your idea into an irresistible offer that people actually want. Phase 3 is audience and traffic. You will learn how to create content that attracts your first audience. Phase 4 is sales and marketing. You will practice pitching your offer, handling objections, and writing simple sales content. Phase 5 is launch and scale. You will soft launch your offer, make your first sale, collect your first testimonials, and create your next step growth plan. That's the transformation waiting for you inside this challenge. By the end of this challenge, you won't just be learning theory, you'll have a real online business set up and ready to grow. Now, I know you might be thinking, I'm not a tech person. Don't worry, I'll give you the exact prompt and free AI tools to use. AI does the heavy lifting. AI will do 90% of the work for you. You might think, I don't have much time. You only need 30 to 60 minutes a day. That's it. You might also think, what if I fail? Now, if you show up and do the task, you will have something real at the end of 30 days, guaranteed. So how do you join the AI 30-day challenge? Now here's something very important you need to know. This is not a theory class. This is a live challenge. I'll actually be doing the challenge right alongside you. That means I'll be building a brand new business live for you to see, step by step. You watch me do it, and then you'll be able to copy what I'm doing and build your own business alongside me. So this isn't just me telling you what to do. This is me showing you in real time exactly how to do it. That's why I call this a truly practical AI 30-day challenge. The training video for each day will be available 24/7, so timing will not be a problem. For those who are going to work, when you get back, you can watch the training for that day, and whenever you have a chance, you can use 30 to 60 minutes to practice. There will also be an online community where you can chat with me if you have any questions, and you can also chat with other like-minded individuals to gain more insights. That way, you are not alone. You are learning with me, and you're also learning with a community of like-minded people who want to monetize their skills and start making money online. Click the link in the description below, sign up, and I will see you inside the AI 30-day challenge. Let's make it happen. Arrivederci.